Okay, YouTube, this is my latest project we've got going on in the back garden. 2004 Astra Coupe, which needs a bit of love and care. I bought it about a week and a bit ago with the intention of doing all this work. So stripped a few bits off, crash bars come off because that was dented, don't know why. Bonnet's reasonably straight, as are the wings. Chassis legs are nice and straight, no worries about that. So lights are out, wheels are off, jacked up, side skirts off, rear end stripped down, arches cleaned out, rear lights off. So basically the plan is to rework the entire chassis. So that involves basically getting all of this crud out of the way, trying to touch up any paintwork, get rid of any rust underneath. So we'll be dropping the beam down this week, getting that painted up. We've got new hubs, new brake carriers, new backing discs, whatever you call them, all coming. And then in there we've got a bit of work to do on all the rust at the back. But generally this particular vehicle is not looking too bad, especially under the sill area. Pretty clean. So my plan is to work up the rear, get that all back into fresh paint, get rid of any signs of rust, drop the petrol tank, do the same under that. Then work down, just repainting, cleaning it all up, making it look good, till we eventually get to the front, where again it'll be a full chassis rebuild. So subframe down, poly bushes, new suspension, new wishbones, no track rod ends, new brakes, caliper mainly just to be rebuilt, we'll see when we get there. And then eventually the engine will be dropped, new gaskets, check the head out, new head gasket, just a precautionary measures really. So hopefully you'll come with me on this journey. We've got some paintwork issues obviously, don't know what's been going on here. Lacquer peel started in various places, so whether or not it's a full respray we shall see. But the interior is pretty good. Well, it just needs a bit of a clean out. Nice red leather, all nice and clean in the back there. So it's yet to be decided whether we'll go track route or just keep it nice and standardish like this. Seat bolsters obviously had a bit of wear, but nothing major. Leather just needs a refresh. But yeah, I'm not sure which direction to go with it yet. We shall see. Well, it's just a bit of a rebuild and get clean. So hopefully you'll come along with me on this ride, pick up a few tips and tricks maybe. One thing I found really useful this week is actually this thing. Clips on the end of the hose pipe, and then you can just dig into the arches and get rid of all the crud, all the road grime in about 5 minutes. That's how I got the arches clean. So that's my tip of the week. So yeah, see how we get on. Nice bit of budget and Scarpa wiring going on, but that's all for the future. So stick around, see how we get on. Cheers for now.